সুইজারল্যান্ডের ডাভোসে অনুষ্ঠিত হতে যাচ্ছে গ্লোবাল এসএমই সামিট। এই বিষয়ে আমরা কথা বলবো এই সামিটের যিনি আয়োজক, সুইজারল্যান্ডের পরিচিত মুখ আনিস খান। আমরা তার মুখে শুনবো তার এই আয়োজন সম্পর্কে।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anis Khan. I'm a president of GSBH, organizing Global SME Summit in Switzerland. This is the first time in history gonna be happen Global SME Summit. Miya bhai, ami Global SME Summit organize kortechi Switzerland e. That the first time of the history. Ta apnara shobai ashen, join koren. That would be the fantastic thing to be join us. Please join us. Thank you. তো আমরা এখানে আসছি আজকে গেস্ট রিসিভ করার জন্য। couple of guests, they are already waiting in the waiting room, and some of them are coming from different part of the world. তো তাদেরকেও রিসিভ করব। So please come and join us. This is going to be the historical moment for you, for me, and for the Global SME Summit. This summit is very important because nobody wants to talk with the small company. Everybody wants to talk with the big company. This is the reason it called Global SME Summit. The world economies, that 70% is done from the SME. So we have forgotten them. That's why we are bring them in the world market, bring them their visibility in this world. So guys, see you in Davos.